Hey there, my stamping friends. Susan here with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. We have sketch number 67 today. We're using the Bright and Beautiful DSP. I picked this pattern that is kind of shaded, Lost Lagoon. We're going to pair it with Lost Lagoon and Pretty Peacock. So here's the DSP panel cut down to size, and then I have these scrap pieces that we're going to use the stylish shaped dies to cut out many circles. Now to use our detailed dogwood stamp set with Pretty Peacock ink, I stamped 3 on the large circles, and then I did a little more stamping on these other circles. So now we have all the parts and pieces for our project, and you can see how they're going to all marry up nicely with coordinating colors. Remember, all the details are on the mini tutorial email subscriptions. Okay, so start by folding and creasing your card in half. Then we're going to add the DSP with liquid adhesive to the front, and it's almost the same size as the card front, so be careful when you place that down. Then we have to decide how we're going to group our circles. So I laid them out in sets of 3, and then I tried different patterns, and this is the one I decided on. So I started with the first set of 3, I adhered 2 down and then added the third one with a dimensional. Then I repeated it with the second set of 3 and then again with the third set of 3, each time doing 2 with liquid adhesive and 1 with a dimensional. So here is where I ended up. Then I decided we needed a little bit of bling added to our card, so I'm using the Pool Party glossy dots to add just a little bit of sparkle, and again, Pretty Peacock, Lost Lagoon, and Pool Party are all coordinating colors. So leave me a comment, let me know if you liked today's project. Remember, before you go, you can subscribe to the channel here so you don't miss out on anything else. Here's all the contacts where you can find me at www.pumpkinhillstampers.com. You can always leave a comment, I love getting those, and if you have a question, just use the contact me link below. Okay, I'll see you again soon. Happy stamping!